How to create a new workspace in ClickUp. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a new workspace in ClickUp. If you don't know yet, ClickUp is a work management tool that lets you have a workspace so you can manage all your tasks, all your details, and others. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a new workspace. So as you can see, this is my workspace and this is my only workspace, Hannah Mutiara's workspace, and I'm gonna create new one by click this one. So in the home page you can go ahead to the workspace name, and then you will find create workspace option. You can click it, and then you can see what we'll use this workspace for. I'm gonna choose personal, and then you can choose the what would you like to manage. I'm gonna choose for maybe personal use, and then you can invite people to your workspace. If you don't want to invite now, you can just click next here, and then you can choose the tools you use. Let's say so usually I'm use this one, Zoom, and then also Slack, and then also Trello, and then Google Drive. Then I'm gonna click next here. Then which features are you interested in trying? I'm gonna try scheduling and AI. Let's see. And click next, and then you can choose the name. So maybe personal use, just like that. Then click finish. And as you can see, I have successfully created a new workspace, and this is my new workspace, and also I have this workspace. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.